Make a great choice today with the 2014 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, stability control, remote engine start, power steering, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, power door locks, heated steering wheel, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.